If you need to find an inspection job that you've previously done, maybe you want to review it or make a copy of it. You can open the Job Manager and scroll through your jobs until you find the one you were looking for, or you can do it the easy way, using the Monitor's Search Tool. The Search Tool works by looking for customer and job information that you've typed into your inspection reports. Let's see how to use it. Open the Job Manager, select Manage Jobs, and the Search Tool is the first item highlighted. The Search Tool has two categories, Customer and Job Address. To find all the jobs that we've done for a property management company, we'll open the Customer category, type in the company name, and save our search. When we run the search, the monitor will only show the jobs that we've done for that company. We work with 2 people in this company, and we can narrow our search to just the jobs we've done for one of them. We'll go back to the Search Tool and type in their name. We'll save the search, and when we run it, we'll see only the jobs we've done for that person. You can also search by job address. You could search for a specific address, all the jobs you've done on a street, in a particular town, or in a zip code. In addition to the Search Tool, you also have some sorting options. You can sort by job name, date, and whether or not a job is locked to prevent accidental deletion. You can also choose to see the jobs listed in ascending or descending order. Just a couple of points before we wrap up. First, the Search Tool only looks at customer and job information that you've typed into your reports. So if this information isn't in a report, the Search Tool won't find it. If you haven't used the Report tool, check out our tutorial on customizing reports. Also, your search is saved until you clear it or power down the monitor. The green check next to a category tells you that you have an active search. To clear the search, select the trash icon. That's it for the Search Tool. For more tutorials and product information, visit the SeeSnake Support website and the Rigid Today YouTube channel. And for updates on our latest videos, be sure to subscribe.